Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to activate visible SIM card. Setting up a visible SIM card is honestly one of those things that sound annoying until you realize the app basically babysits the whole process for you. First, download the official Visible app from the App Store or Play Store and open it. Before activating anything, check if your phone is compatible by tapping Ring My Phone and entering your IMEI number. On iPhone, you'll find that under Settings, General, then About. On Android, go to Settings, About Phone, or just dial asterisk hashtag key 06 hashtag key, like every tech YouTube dramatically recommends. Once your phone passes the compatibility check, plop the visible SIM card into your device using the SIM tray tool. After the app detects a SIM, you should see the activate option appear automatically. Tap activate, restart your phone, and give it a minute or two to connect to the network. Mine took about the same amount of time as microwaving leftover pizza, which honestly felt surprisingly fast for the carrier setup. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.